team's road started in August. Tried hard all season to be best, but now I'll wait a week to watch some other team. I'll buy some beer, I'll try to cheer. Maybe I'll even play some squares, make the best of it, though I feel like we've got the luck of the Cowboys catching calls. They are retracting. We can't all be champions, so I'll just sit here and pour. So let's post nachos on Pinterest. This game on fake interest, but by halftime you'll hear me snore. I like a football championship. For now I'll hang out with the dip. Save money on the Phoenix trip, and the box score starts right now.
Watch Brock and the Danettes at 3 p.m. Eastern on the Box Score. Only on Audience.